Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 GMC Acadia SLT in Ebony Twilight. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 907218.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.